Hi everyone, Fanda here. I hope you're having a good day. Today is very nice, sunny and beautiful, about 8 degrees in Vancouver. So I'm going to take you to Robson Square, Downton, Vancouver. So please join me.
You're tuning in to Cerita Fanda Vancouver. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the bell for weekly videos. This time of year is another fantastic season for ice skating. If you visit Vancouver, come to Robson Square Plaza by Robson Street. And here is the look of UBC campus for business and law students. When I first came to Vancouver, I tried skating, but I kept wobbling and falling. So I truly admire anyone who can glide, spin, and turn. Skate rental here is only $5, so it's really affordable, and it comes with a free helmet. Robson Square was completed in 1983, and the south part was renovated and has been reopened since March last year. I'm pretty excited to see what this site has to offer. That building across is the Vancouver Art Gallery, formerly a provincial courthouse designed by a British architect, Sir Francis Rattenbury. It's beautiful, isn't it? Did you hear that? Incredible voice from a street musician today. Let's check it out.
I got everything I want. How do I secure this, guys? Help me. Well, when I look at you, whoa, you with me.
What a pleasant surprise, because I thought they will start in the summer. Many restaurants open along the street across, or you can get some snacks or hot dogs from the food trucks while listening to the music. Anyway, just to show you the other side of the block. Come here to shop, eat out, walk around, but having ice skating, art gallery, and plaza with some music and cultural events, definitely a good way of ending our trip today. I hope you guys like this video and what you guys think of ice skating and Robson Square. Please leave your comment and thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a happy day.